Alright, since malapit na ulit magpasukan, no, yung iba nagbabakasyon pa lang but malapit na sila ulit magpa-audition, no. So it's almost audition season sa mga music schools, mga orchestras, and I just want to share a few tips para sa mga aspiring musicians na gustong pumasok sa dream school nila. They want to take a talent test or exam. Ano yung mga dapat yung pine-prepare, and sana makatulong to, no. So unang-una, of course, find out if the school is having auditions, no, whether sa orchestras or sa choir or whatever instrument you might have. Baka may mga scholarship auditions as well. And then find out ano yung mga kailangan nila, no, like repertoire, ano yung mga skills na kailangan na meron ka, and then you focus on that during the summer bago magpasukan, no, bago mag-start yung auditions, no. Usually you could, kung skilled ka na, maybe 1 to 2 months preparation would be enough, no. Sa iba na medyo matagal pa yung preparation, you could take up to a year to prepare for those things. At least alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong aralin at intindihin. Next, of course, is to practice what you need to work on. Now, habang nagpa-practice ka, you should also try to find ways ng ano ba yung kailangan nila from you, no. Like for example, if you're auditioning for an orchestra, try to find a piece na mag-showcase ng level of playing mo, no, not just any piece na kung ano lang yung nakalagay doon tapos hirap na hirap kang aralin, no. Try to find a piece you're comfortable with playing, na master mo, no, kasi of course when you do auditions, it's not about how hard the pieces are, it's more of how well you could perform. So yung quality, overall quality, do you play in tune, do you play on time, and do you have a good tone, no. Yun yung basically tinitignan sa'yo. Can you keep time, play in tune, and play with a good quality, no. So focus on the piece na talagang komportable ka tugtugin, and focus on that. Yun ang pagandahin mo, yun ang magiging audition piece mo. Kasi if you try to find yung piece na ay parang feel ko maano ko sila, mapapahanga, they've seen better, no. So always try to make sure na maganda yung pagkaka-play mo. And then of course meron din diyang mga exams, no. Study on theory, study basic rudiments, no, note reading, intervals, ano pa ba, usually writing down scales or key signatures. Yan yung mga common exams na pagdadaanan mo, written, no. And of course, sight reading or sight singing. So aside from playing your instrument, usually pinapakanta ng, let's say, sight reading material lang naman. So basic scales, ganyan. You should train your ears and train your voice, no. Hindi naman kailangan yung operatic, no, especially if instrumentalist ka. But make sure na kaya mong kantahin yung mga notes, again, in tune and on time, no. So yun yung lagi yung tatandaan. You have to play in tune and on time. Kasi kung erratic ka mag-play, of course baka hindi ka pumasa sa auditions mo. And yun, if you're auditioning for an orchestra, for example, baka ilatagan ka ng sight reading material. So also practice your sight reading. Make sure you are confident with your skills, talagang nag-practice ka, and make sure din na maayos mo siya magagawa, no. Don't just play and play tapos bahala na, no. Of course you have to prepare for these things. And while you're practicing your sight reading, make sure again that you're playing on time and in tune. It doesn't need to be fast, no. You don't need to play sa tempo ng nakasulat, no. Sometimes you can play slower, especially if it's sight reading. Just make sure na hindi ka bumibilis, hindi ka bumabagal. Pag mahirap na yung pasahe, bigla kang hihina or babagal ka bigla, no. Make sure that you can play anything that they put in front of you properly, no. Hindi naman kailangan na perfect, but it shows that you can, no, really sight read. So paano ba practice yung sight reading? You just need to play a lot. Yun yung kailangan mo. Magbasa ka ng marami, kahit paano ma-memorize mo in your head that these types of note patterns sound like this, para pag may lumabas ulit na ganun, you can play, no. So ganun lang naman mga auditions, no. Of course you have to prepare properly, eat properly, sleep well bago yung audition day mo, and also practice your mind. Paano ba yung magiging scenario? You have to practice that in your head as well para hindi ka masyadong kabahan or don't have the jitters when your audition time comes, no? You have to expect the worst and hope for the best pagdating sa mga auditions, no? Kasi hindi natin alam, no, kung ano yung hinahanap talaga nila, but of course, being transparent with what you're doing, making sure na tama yung ginagawa mo, tama yung pagpe-play mo, tama, nasa tono ka, hindi ka nagmamadali, even if you're playing under tempo, kahit siguro mga 5 to 10 beats per minute slower, that's totally fine, as long as you do it with good quality sound, no? Yun naman yung importante doon, because if you are auditioning for a music school, for example, doon ka syempre nila hahasain. And if they see the potential in you, most probably you will get in. No, hindi naman siya sobrang taas na, ay, hindi siya marunong or something like that. Of course, preparation is still key. Make sure you prepare well so that you can perform well. So kung natulong to, follow for more and I'll see you on the next one.